Hello Zili users, want to log out of your Zili account? No worries, I have got you covered. Let's get it done in just few steps. First, open the Zili app on your phone. How often do you log out of your social apps? Drop your answer in the comment. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Scroll down and find Account Settings. Now you can see the sign out option here. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up. Just tap confirm to log out. If you can't find the logout option, try clearing the app cache or updating the app for a smoother experience. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.